Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about how you can get free hosting services. Okay, how you can get free hosting services to host your website for free. Okay, that's the topic. Let's start. Now for that you have to open a website, that is 000webhost.com. Okay, it's a free web hosting services. Okay, just click on that particular website, that is freewebhost.com. After opening this particular website, you will get that any kind of dynamic website, any kind of static website with MySQL database and a control panel you will get. Okay, what is control panel? By which through you can host your website, you can upload your website. Okay, you can manage your website using the control panel. It's absolutely free. Okay, now first of all, to move forward, okay, you just have to register with this particular website first. For that, just scroll down. After scrolling down, you will get this particular option, that is free web hosting. Okay, it will after getting registered with this particular website, you will you can host one website. Okay, and you will get 300 MB of free disk space. Okay, now for that, just click on this particular link, that is free sign up. When you click on this particular link, that is free sign up, you have to register with this particular website. Okay, what email ID you want to register? I suppose this is the email ID which I want to register, and whatever password you want to set, just set the password over here. Okay, and just click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you will find a next page. Just wait and watch. Okay, now you can see now you can see you have to, after this particular sign up, okay, you will find this particular page. Okay, this is my this one, you can say your name, testing Mohit 66. Okay, wait for it. Now you will see a message over here. We have sent a confirmation email, means the email ID which you have registered with this particular website, you will get a confirmation email for that. Okay, go to that particular email ID. Okay, go to that particular email ID and see, I have just got a verification email from that particular website. Okay, just click on this particular mail to open this email. Okay, and just you have to verify this by clicking on this particular button, that is click to verify the email. Okay, when you click on this particular button, okay, your email ID is verified with that particular website, and then only you can make a free hosting account. Okay, now it's verifying your email ID. Okay, now after verifying your email ID with this particular website, you will find that this message, email verified. Now I say get started. Okay, just click on this particular get started button to start further. Okay, now this page these pages are there. Now what I have to do? Nothing you have to choose, just click on others. Okay, just click on others over here, select. Okay, and just skip this step because I don't want these steps to be used. Okay, just click on skip link. When you click on this skip link, okay, now this is the website name. What URL you want to set? What URL you want to set of your website? It's optional. If you don't give the website name, it will find its own name. Okay, so I suppose I want that my website name, my website URL should be, that is explore with Mohit. This is a URL, okay, domain name which I want to set, and what password I want to set. This is the random password, okay, which it's showing by default. Okay, I am just mentioning this particular password. See, I'm just mentioning this particular password, my own. Okay, this is the URL which I want to set, explore with Mohit. Okay, or this is the password, and just click on submit. When you click on submit, you will find that this particular domain name is now registered with this particular website as a free hosting services. Okay, now just wait for it. Now just wait for a while. Now after this particular thing, you will find a message of confirmation. You can see website has been created. This is a confirmation. Okay, now this is the way how you can register with this particular website to host your website free of cost. Now if I open a new window, I want to check it. What is the URL? that is explore with Mohit, okay, dot, this is a URL, domain name, dot 000 web host, okay, web host app.com. This is the complete URL of your website now. Okay, this is a by default. Okay, this is the domain name which I have given, explore with Mohit dot 000 web host app.com. When you enter this particular URL, you will find a welcome page. You can find the welcome page. Now this is my URL, and this is the URL which can be accessed globally anywhere in the world. Okay, now this you can see, this is the domain name. Okay, now you can host your web pages, you can host your further pages of your website onto this particular domain name. Okay, now if I find out this particular thing, okay, just close this. Okay, now if I found out this one, you can upload your website using WordPress or using this particular option, that is upload your website or upload your site. Okay, now suppose I want to upload the website now. You can find that this page is empty now, it's their welcome page, but I want to host my own website over there. Now for that purpose, what you have to do, just click on this particular option, that is upload your website. Just click on select. Okay, now when you click on select, you will find a file manager. Okay, you will find a file manager to upload your website. You can see this is the file manager. Okay, in this particular file manager you have two subfolders there. One is temporary and second is public HTML. Okay, you have to open public HTML folder. Just click on that. Okay, just double click on that particular folder to open its files. Okay, now whatever you want to upload onto this particular domain, okay, open the file manager, open this particular public HTML folder and upload all the files, all the folders within this particular folder only. This is public HTML folder. Okay, now I want to upload this particular hosting pages. These are the pages which I want to upload. The first name is index, and I have two subfolders. In these two subfolders I have one image, this one, and in this images folder we have this image. Okay, now I want to host these particular website onto this particular domain name, under this particular folder, that is public HTML. Then what you have to do here, see, whenever you want to host a web page in a website, there are so many web pages. In a website there are so many web pages. Okay, every website has a home page. Every website has a home page, and that home page file name must be index.html or index.php. Extension it can be any. What file name of the home page, the very first page of the website, must be index.html. Okay, remember one thing, it should be in small letters. Okay, I should not be capital. Index, the word should not be in capital letters. It should be in small letters only. Okay, now what I have to do, let's see, for uploading there are so many methods. I am just telling you one method. I just drag and drop this particular file over here. Okay, and you can see upload. See, now I have just uploaded this particular website on my page. Okay, here it will ask for your username and password. Okay, if it is asking for the username and password, okay, just close it once. Okay, just refresh it, try to refresh it. Okay, you have to give the username over here. Okay, and the password over here. Password I have given this one, and the username was this one, that is testing mohit66@gmail.com. this was the username and this was the password. Just click on login again. Okay, you have to, okay, login data not correct. Okay, testing, this is the email ID na. Okay, and this was the password, I think. Okay, it's not getting the things. Okay, just close this thing and again click on this particular thing. This is manage website. Okay, when you click on this particular manage website, okay, this is the panel, this is the file manager. Click on upload. Okay, See, because it's a free hosting, it sometimes it's again asking for your you can say your user ID and password. Okay, this is your public HTML folder, and just drag and drop the file over here like this. Okay, and upload the files. Okay, now you can see files uploaded over here, index.html. Now to upload the folders, you cannot upload these folders directly. What you have to do, I'm just giving you a simple method. Just make a folder over here with the name of birds and images. Okay, I just make a folder with this particular option, that is new folder, and I have just made a folder with the name of birds. Okay, create a folder. Okay, and then again create a folder with the name of images. Okay, I just create 2 folders over here. Okay, now what I want is, I want to upload the birds files into this particular folder. Double click on this particular folder to open this folder, and just drag and drop this file over here. Okay, this one, and just click on upload. You can see this file is also uploaded. Okay, now go back. This is, you can say, go back to your images folder, click on images folder, and just upload your images folder files. Okay, whatever files we have, just drag and drop it over here. Okay, now you can see upload it over here. Okay, now this is a way how you can upload all your files within public HTML folder. I have just uploaded index.html, images folder, and birds folder. See, there are so many methods to upload your data, your files onto your live server. Okay, this is the simplest one. Otherwise, you can use third-party FTPs like Qt FTP, Ace FTP, FileZilla to upload your files. Okay, and second method is third method. First method is this one. Second method is using third-party applications like FileZilla and all that. And the third one is you can select all the files all together. Okay, and right click and just make it as a zip file. Okay, make it zip file. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, now all the files are bundled within this particular zip file. Just drag and drop this particular zip file onto your public HTML folder. Just upload this. Okay, this is second way. Okay, as per the requirement, any method you can choose. Okay, after uploading this particular zip file, what you have to do, you have to extract this file over here. Right click over here, and just you have to extract it over here. All the files, all the folders, subfolder, images and files will extract it over here automatically. This is purely as per your own requirement, that what method you want to implement to upload a website. Okay, upload it individually. This is first method. Upload the files with using third-party applications, that is FileZilla, Qt FTP, and Ace FTP. And the third is using your this one, that you can say your make the bundle. Okay, make it in a zip format. Okay, and just upload this zip file over here, and right click and just extract it over here. Okay, when you extract on this particular file, you can see all the files will be extracted in this particular folder only automatically. Okay, this is purely on your requirement. Now if I want to see it live, see, this was my URL name, explore-with-mohit.000webhostapp.com. Okay, write it and just press enter. You can see the output is there. See, now this is my live website. Okay, this is my index file. This is my index file. Okay, which I have written in your editor. Okay, and this is the output. Now this is a URL which you can see all over the world globally. Okay, this is my free domain. Okay, this is a way how you can host your website free of cost. Okay, and this is the method. Okay, I hope you all get all the things. Okay, if you are if you are liking my videos, okay, kindly subscribe my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channels to look for more videos. Okay, thank you.